Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Coinbase Buy Crypto. Coinbase is a popular platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase. First, you need to create an account on Coinbase. To do this, go to the Coinbase website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be required to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Coinbase. Next, you need to set up a payment method. Coinbase allows you to link your bank account, credit card, or debit card to your account. To do this, go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add Payment Method button. Follow the instructions to link your payment method to your account. Now that you have set up your account and payment method, you can start buying cryptocurrency. To do this, go to the Buy, Sell section and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you want to buy and click on the Buy button. Coinbase will then facilitate the transaction and the cryptocurrency will be added to your account. It is essential to understand the fees associated with buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Coinbase charges a transaction fee, which varies depending on the payment method and location. Additionally, the price of cryptocurrency can fluctuate rapidly, so it is crucial to stay up to date with market trends. To get the most out of Coinbase, it is recommended to use two-factor authentication to secure your account. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and protects your cryptocurrency from unauthorized access. In conclusion, buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase is a straightforward process. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrency with confidence. Remember to always stay informed about market trends and take necessary precautions to secure your account. With Coinbase, you can easily and securely buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrency.